There you go. Where did he lead off?
Knuckleballer.
Oh. Yeah, hit it so hard. You got it. You're good. That ball seems fun. I think he just doesn't like it. What's up, baby?
How you doing, man?
2-hole today, huh?
Yeah.
Moved you up. Must be for exceptional.
I've never hit in the 4-hole in my life, so.
Hey, none! What? Oh. Come on now.
Just a tad in.
Turn!
It's crazy if you don't tag the guy and at least give yourself a chance. Because I didn't see the whole thing. Well, that would have been one out for sure. Could have been two. Now we got
Oh, yeah. For sure. For sure.
Come on!
That was a lot of running.
You tell me. Go.
Hi, boy, Mike. Good wheels, great wheels.
I forgot how narrow it was there. I had to run from you, too. Oh, shit.